everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Today is going to be a very short video. I am going to make a watercress salad, and I decided to show you guys how I make it because it is so healthy, but it's also so quick and inexpensive. So I decided to bring you guys in on this secret because I have been making this salad for a very, very long time. And watercress is not expensive. You'll go to the grocery store in where you have the vegetables and you would find it. If you don't intentionally go to look for watercress, you will go to the supermarket and totally miss it. So I hope that after I show you guys how to make this salad and how delicious it is, that you guys will go to the supermarket and look for watercress and make this your go-to salad because it is so healthy and good for you. I have my watercress here. I already went ahead and washed it out, so you just want to go in and thoroughly just put it under the water and just toss it and let it run and let it get clean. And I'm going to put a little twist on it. Normally I'm seasoning it up a little bit. Today I'm going to use a little bit of pine nuts. I'm going to go ahead and toast about half a cup of pine nuts and toss it in there just for a little extra crunch and smokiness. And that's it, guys. It's very, very quick, very simple, and very inexpensive, and most importantly, it's very healthy. So if you're looking for a salad that is not your normal lettuce, tomato, this is where watercress comes in, guys. I just went ahead and I added some olive oil, about a tablespoon of olive oil, some salt, and some sesame seeds into a bowl. So I'm going to use that to toss my watercress salad in. It's very easy. That's it. Very simple ingredients. You can add a little dash of black pepper to that if you would like, but I'm going to hold off on the black pepper for now. I may add a little bit of garlic paste to this, but let me get my nuts toasted first and then I'll move on to that. So I have my little pot here, my little fryer. I'm just allowing it to get a little warm. And I'm just going to go ahead and add my half cup of pine nuts, guys. And I'm just going to give it a light toast. So just lightly toast it. That brings out the nutty flavor and I love it. Gives it a little extra crunch. So good, I can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, that's it. I'm going to turn off my heat, just a light toast. And if you do not have pine nuts or you cannot find pine nuts, you can go ahead and do that with walnuts or any other nut, guys. So do not limit yourself. That's it. That's how I want it, just lightly toasted. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on my watercress. So while my nuts are resting and cooling off, I'm going to go ahead and get my watercress ready. So I'm just going to give it a light shake just to get the excess water out. And I'm just going to just shred it. I do not want to cut it in really small pieces. just like this. Just shaking the excess water out, especially with the ones in the bottom. That's it. So that's it, guys. Just roughly cut it up. So in this bowl, I have a tablespoon of olive oil, some salt, and some sesame seeds. I'm going to go ahead and grate some garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add a little ginger paste, about half a teaspoon. And I'm just going to mix that up. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this on my watercress. I'm going to give it a light toss. Just make sure to get all of your watercress coated. And it smells so delicious. And to finish this up, I'm just going to go ahead and toss in my pine nuts. Beautiful. So I just transferred my watercress to a flat dish. I'm just going to top with some sesame seeds. And this is how simple it is, guys. Very healthy and quick salad if you want to make something different. Watercress salad. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you how I make my healthy watercress salad. If you want a change from the normal salad that you have every day, go ahead and look for a watercress in your grocery store and just put this salad together. It's very easy. You do not need to do too much to it because watercress already is delicious on its own. Okay, everyone, so we've come to the end of this video. As I promised, it was short, but it's delicious. I hope this watercress salad is one that you will try out and that you will love. And now for the taste test. It is delicious. the ginger, the garlic, the olive oil. The pine nuts brings a sweetness to it. The watercress is nice and fresh and crunchy. I hope you try out this watercress recipe. Watercress, I think, is very underestimated. We tend to pass it in the supermarket and don't even give it a second glance. With the salad, you should make watercress your new best friend. It is so healthy, so fresh. You cannot go wrong. It was an honor showing you how I make my watercress salad at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you how I make my simple, healthy watercress salad at home. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for checking out another video. Until the next video, where I bring you all the flavorful and spicy recipes. Bye guys.